Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition, and in this video I will show you which fuse to check in case your backup camera or a rear parking aid is not working. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. So the fuse you want to check is located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin, just next to the passenger's right foot, behind this cover. Now to remove the cover, just pull it straight towards yourself. And now you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. Now as you can see, on top of the cover you have like a small fuse diagram. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the other side. So you want to press these tabs at the same time and pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover, there is a small white fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. The backup camera and rear parking aid fuse is fuse number 35, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. And this is actually the most common cause of your backup camera not working. If this fuse proves to be good, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics. You'll have to look at all connections behind the camera and behind the rear radio. You'll have to look at the parking sensors and things like that, but hopefully this will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.